Do you want to be able to add a full reel on your Instagram story now in 2024? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our Instagram app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app right here, and then also log into your Instagram account if you haven't done so already, of course. Now we're just going to select a random reel. So I'm just going to take a random reel. Let's take this one just as an example for this tutorial, right? So what I'm going to do is to click on this reel right here. Then I'm going to click on the DM symbol, or like, as you can see, there's like an airplane symbol. So I'm just going to click on it right here. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So what you're going to do after this is to click where it says add to story, which should be in the bottom left corner. So click on add to story. And as you can see, you get this one right here. What I'm going to do now is to click on your story in the bottom left corner. Just going to load here, so just a second. Then I'm going to go back to my profile. Let's see if it actually uploads here. It's going to take a couple of seconds, of course. So I'm just going to go back. So let's see if we actually can get a full reel on our story, basically. Now the story should be uploaded. As you can see, I'm going to click on my story, and as you can see, I have the full story in here. The full reel is in here. I can even click on the reel, and I can click on watch reel, as you can see. So this is basically exactly how to do this.